In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Depop account, step by step. If you've been considering moving away from Depop, perhaps due to a change in interests, or you're simply looking to reduce the number of apps occupying your attention, I'm here to guide you through the process. It's a fairly straightforward method, but requires careful attention to some details. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open the Depop app on your phone. It's important to note that deleting your account cannot be done through the website. It needs to be performed directly from the app. Once you have the app open and you're logged in, you're ready to move to the next step. Now let's proceed to the settings. Look toward the bottom right corner of your screen and you'll find your profile icon. Give that a tap. This will take you to your profile page. From here, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see a gear icon. This icon is your gateway to the settings menu. Tap it to enter the settings section. Moving along, you will now need to dive into your account settings. Within the settings menu, scroll down a bit until you find an option labeled Profile. Tap on Profile to access the specific settings related to your account details. You're now approaching the final steps of your journey to account deletion. At the bottom of the account menu, you'll see an option labeled Delete Account. Tap on this option to begin the process of removing your account. At this stage, Depop will prompt you to provide a reason for leaving the platform. You will be given a list of reasons to choose from, which helps the app understand user decisions. Select the one that best fits your decision. Following this, tap Delete Account again to confirm your decision. Once you have confirmed, your account will be permanently deleted. That's it. It's important to remember that the deletion is irreversible, meaning you'll lose all your listings, followers, and messages associated with the account. So make sure this is what you truly intend to do before going through these steps. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. By following these steps, your Depop account will be successfully deleted from the app. Should you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check Depop's support resources for help. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope it was easy to follow along with. Have a great day.